has been several years.
Supposed to be going on Hyperia, but as you see, it is closed.
But the time has come for Hyperia to rise.
Today, it's finally happening. We're about to go on Hyperia. We're gonna make roller coaster history to go on front row POV. Let's go. So we have just experienced UK's tallest and fastest roller coaster, and we went on front row and back row. And front row is actually a little bit tamed and a little bit rattly. However, back row, you felt it's pretty intense and very nice. Is it UK's favourite for me? No. But still a good coaster.
It could potentially be my number one if the theming was a little bit better. However, the theme song is a banger.
Still a good coaster. Well done Thorpe Park and Mac. So see you later. What would you rate Hyperia out of 10?
7.
What'd you say?
7.
Wait, say that one more time.
7.
Can you do it with fingers? 7.
Before we finish this video, I'm going to leave you with a question. What would you rather have? The old Thorpe Park logo or Hyperia? Let us know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a short video, but Hyperia is short as well. Hey, but we're going to go to Europa Park now in Germany. So if you want to see that, please subscribe to see some more videos. I'm going to leave you with one last thing now. A rider cam of us on Hyperia. So goodbye and thank you.